Hello mga hunters! Have you ever wondered kung saan makakahanap ng trabaho na swak sa skills mo, flexible at remote? Yung vinavalue din yung work-life balance? Look no further mga hunters kasi our company is hiring. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kat. I'm a social media VA. At dito, maghahunting tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, ESL jobs, tips, tools, at lahat-lahat na nalalaman ko based on my experience as a VA. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. From lead generation specialists to SEO and Amazon VAs, Gentas Virtual Assistant Services is looking for passionate and experienced pros to join the team. This is a true testimony mga hunters kasi I've been working in this company for quite a while now and they are really different from other agencies na napagtrabahuan ko na. Because here, you are not just their VA but you are part of their family. What are their current hiring positions? Most of these are non-voice jobs like lead generation specialist, project manager, Google Ads specialist, social media marketing expert, paid advertising specialist, SEO specialist, and Amazon VA. How about the salary rate? Well, the starting rate here is $5 per hour up to $9 per hour. So, depende yan sa skills at experience ninyo. So, sobrang taas talaga ng rate nila dito compare sa mga agencies na na-mention ko na dito sa channel na ito. But, hindi lang yan ang dapat ilulook forward niyo mga hunters kasi aside from their work environment, high salary rate, meron po din silang incentives na talagang magbibigay sa iyo ng more motivation to diligently do your job or care sa client ninyo. Kasi yung CEO ay nagbibigay ng monthly incentives, either a gift or a money sa performance ng kanilang mga VA, especially if the clients also are very happy sa performance ng mga VAs. So even the clients, you also give bonuses kahit hindi pa yan holidays or Christmas, nagbibigay din sila ng mga bonuses. So, nagre-reflect yan sa performance mo as a VA. So, talagang binavalue or ina-appreciate yung work mo dito. Now, I'm sharing with you on the screen some samples of those gifts or bonuses na na-receive ng mga VAs dito. Even myself, I got my headset or yung other VAs naman ay meron din silang mga natanggap na mga work from home essentials. It only means mga hunter na talagang kahit maliit na bagay pa yan, but still ma-feel mo or mararamdaman mo na you are being valued here dito sa agency or sa company ito. At gusto mo bang maka-receive ng ganitong bonus? Like 180,000 in just like a month? Aside from the salary that you're getting, meron ka ding ganitong incentive. So, sobrang laki na talagang tulong para sa atin na mga VAs. It also means mga hunter na dito sa Gentas, yung company or the CEO ay naghahanap talaga ng mga clients na hindi basta-basta. So, ibig sabihin na kahit you are under an agency, still you get a premium clients. The salary here is bi-weekly via bank. And what's good about them mga hunters is that no long weeks of waiting kasi in just 3 days from the cut-off, marireceive mo na agad yung salary mo. But based on my experience, in just 1 day lang, nasa account ko na yung sahod ko. Hindi ka talaga mas-stress dito. But mga hunters, dito sa Gentas, they don't offer training. So, you have to bring your A game. That means, kung may 1 to 2 experience ka, and you know your way around your skills, perfect ka dito. Bakit nga ba Gentas? Simple lang. You'll thrive in a fast-paced, dynamic environment surrounded by a team of passionate pros who are as driven as you are. Plus, sobrang daming growth opportunities both personally and professionally. Based on experience, the managers always check you in kung ano ba yung mga personal at professional growth na hinahanap mo pa while working with Gentas. And even, nangungumusta din sila sa family mo. Plus, the CEOs, the husband and the wife are very approachable and they are really team-oriented. They really value their VAs, kaya ano pa ba ang hahanapin mo sa kumpanyang ito? So, if you are ready for a new challenge, you're a team player with solid communication skills, and you're itching for the next step of your career, now is the time to apply. So, hindi mo na kailangan pang maghanap ng iba.
So, ito yung Facebook page ni Gentas. So, makikita nyo din yung link ng application form nila. So, ito yon. So, to apply, kailangan nyo mag-fill out ng form na nandito. So, meron silang welcome message from their company, a little background of the company, and the CEO. So, you need to have your complete name, phone number, Skype ID, and then FB para mas madaling makontak kayo if hindi ma-reach yung phone number niyo. And then here, ito yung mga positions na meron sila. Okay, click lang kayo dyan kung ano yung a-applyan ninyo. And then what kind of clients industry have you worked? So based on your work experience. And then tools, kailangan talaga ito kasi nga may experience ka na. So I believe meron ka ng mga tools na experience. So just click yung rate mo. So, if you think na you're $9 per hour, then lagay mo dyan kung magkano yung rate mo based on your experience. And then, part-time ba or full-time ang hinahanap ninyo, yung work hours, and then years of experience, ilang clients nga meron ka. And here is detailed overview of your work experience, what motivates you to work, and describe a dream client and a dream job. And then, next nyo lang yan. Okay, so after that, then, i-message kayo ni recruiter once nakapasa kayo sa nandito na mga questions. So, make sure na you should be honest, you should highlight your skills, your experience. So, see you sa Gentas family.
So mga hunters, if you are interested, ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below para directly kayong makapag-apply sa company ito. So just wait. Once you submit, just wait for the recruitment team to check your portfolio or your profile, and then tatawagan ka naman nila or they will send an email to you if you are qualified for the interview. So, good luck mga hunters. So, that's it mga hunters. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, follow our Facebook page for more hiring tips at saka updates. At meron din akong weekly or every Sunday nag-a-upload ako ng mga free tutorial or mga tips about sa pagiging VA. Alright, now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Thank you for always watching and happy hunting!